In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Microsoft Edge. Whether you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or troubleshooting sync issues, signing out only takes a moment and helps keep your information private. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots, also called the Settings and More menu. Click those dots to open the menu. If you don't see them, make sure the window isn't in full screen mode so the toolbar is visible. From the menu, choose Settings. This opens the Settings page in a new tab. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar. Make sure you're on Profiles. Edge usually takes you there automatically, but if not, click Profiles to view your account details. At the top of the Profiles page, you'll see your current profile with your account picture and details. Right next to it is the Sign Out button. Click Sign Out. Edge will display a prompt to confirm what you want to do. In this prompt, you'll see an option to clear favorites, history, passwords, and other browsing data from this device. Check this box if you want to completely remove your personal browsing data from the computer you're using. This is a great idea on a public or shared device. Keep in mind, clearing here removes data only from this device. It does not delete items stored in your Microsoft account online. If you plan to sign back in on the same computer and want to keep your passwords, favorites, and autofill information, leave this box unchecked. Once you've made your choice, click Sign Out again to confirm. Edge will sign you out of your profile, turn off sync, and return you to a local, not signed-in state. You can continue browsing, but your data will no longer sync to your account until you sign in again. You'll notice the profile icon at the top now shows a generic profile or prompts you to sign in. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you use multiple profiles in Edge, make sure the correct profile is selected before you sign out so you don't affect another one. And if you're signing out on a shared computer, taking the extra moment to clear data is a smart privacy step. That's it. You've successfully signed out of Microsoft Edge and protected your information on this device. Thanks for watching, and feel free to sign back in anytime from the profile icon when you're ready.